Hi everyone. Today you will learn how to boost your earnings by setting smart sales goals in your business. As discussed in our other video, start with investment of rupees 12 lakhs to set up the Millets Rice business. Imagine this, just 2 months after starting, your investment could start making money. In a best case scenario, you might earn rupees 70,000 to 1 lakh every month after 6 months. And it gets better. By the end of the first year, you could be earning rupees 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh per month. This is your actual profit, after paying all expenses. By the end of the second or third year, you could be earning rupees 2.8 lakhs to 4 lakhs every month. That's the potential success of investing rupees 12 lakhs in your business. Before spending any money, prepare well. Begin by using your friends, family, and work contacts to find at least 35 local grocery stores that will sell your millet rice. Each of these stores usually serves about 150 nearby homes. Reach out to people you know and anyone else you've met along the way. Keep in mind, since only about half of the shops might agree, try to connect with about 60 to 70 stores. This way, you're more likely to start with a strong group of 35 stores. When you start your business with 35 local shops, use the first few months to improve your millet rice. Give samples to your friends and the owners of these 35 shops. Pay attention to what they say, make changes to your millet rice based on their suggestions, and give the shop owners good deals to motivate them to sell and advertise your millet rice. This approach is known as push marketing. Now, plan your sales goals carefully. Think that each customer will buy 1 kilogram of millet rice every month, and a local shop usually sells to about 150 homes around it. If you start with 35 shops, you are in a good position to start making money soon. Try to increase to 45 shops by the 6th month, and aim for 100 shops by the end of your second year. Reaching these goals will lead to big growth for your business. Do like, share, and subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.